everyone, welcome back to my channel Tanish's Kitchen. Here I am back with a new recipe, Rui Machar Kalia, or you may say Rohu Fish Kalia. So I think you must try. I suggest you to try this recipe at your home. And Bengali people prefer to have this fish so much. So I will give you the ingredient description in the description box. Check it out and know how to make this recipe. So without any skip, watch my full video. So let's get started.
Here we have to take rohu mach or rui mach. 500 gram I took here. Clean the fish properly. Now add 1.5 tablespoon turmeric or haldi powder. And a tablespoon of salt. Now mix it properly. Coat each fish very properly, just like this. I'm showing you. Just rub the surface of the fish. The marination of fish with haldi and salt takes the raw smell of the fish off. Set aside for 15 minutes for marination. Rui mach is popular in West Bengal and everyone loves to have this fish. And you can make kalia of katla mach also, katla fish. It's a kind of another type of fish. I have already added here oil to fry the fish. Let it heat. Add the fish one by one. The fish should be fried in high flame. Fry until the fish looks golden brown in color. Flip to fry the another side of the fish. Our fish fry is ready. Keep aside in a plate and let it cool down. Here I took some kaju. 10 to 20 kaju you need. Just you have to make the paste of it, a proper paste, and salt as required. I took here 2 large tomato. I just chopped it. You have to make tomato puree from it, a smooth tomato puree. And now here goes 5 medium sized onion which I have cut in this shape. We have to make onion paste of it. You can see the size. I will grind it properly. Now here I took a sliced onion, 5 medium size of onion I took here. Slice it in this way. This onion I will use when I will fry. Now here I took ginger garlic paste. You can see here the paste is already ready, and 4 green chilies. After that, dry chili. Here I took 4 to 5, 1 bay leaves, and cardamom, elaichi, cinnamon, 4 to 5 cinnamon, and 4 to 5 cloves. For masala, we need red chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Here I have made tomato puree of that sliced tomato, cashew nuts paste or kaju paste. Here you can see, and yogurt, doi, we can say. Beat until it is smooth. And onion paste from the onion that I already showed you. Now wait until the oil is very hot. Add dry chili, cloves, cinnamon, elaichi and bay leaf, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let it splatter. Saute until the raw smell go off. The color has been changed. Now add sliced onion. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and cook for a while. Cook until the onion smoothens. Oil has been separated. Add now onion paste. Just saute it for a while. Fry on medium heat until the color darkens. Add tomato puree. Saute for at least 2 minutes. The moisture has been dried up. Now add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. After that, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. And at last, add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder or dhania powder. Time to add doi, yogurt, and add cashew nut paste or kaju paste. When the oil flows to the top, add a cup of water. Don't let it burn. When it comes to boil, now add the green chili, 4 green chili, and after that add the fish fry one by one. We must cook the fish until it becomes soft. Dip it inside. Now you can see our kalia is ready. Turn off the gas. A perfect texture has come out. Serve in a plate. You have to serve it carefully because the fish is so soft. You can look the thick gravy of the fish. Try it once and you'll never forget the taste of it. It is super tasty and delicious. Roi machar kalia or rohu fish kalia is ready. It is a perfect dish to have with a plain rice.
And if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and give me the review in the comment section box and let me know how was the recipe. So again I will be back with a new recipe. So for now, goodbye.